In this video, I'll show you how to talk in FiveM. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so voice chat is one of the biggest parts of FiveM experience. Make sure your microphone is connected to your PC. If you're using a USB microphone or headset, make sure Windows detects it before opening FiveM. Now, after your microphone is connected, you can open up the pause menu by pressing escape on your keyboard and then go to settings, go to voice chat, and then you're going to enable voice chat. So turn this on and then we're going to set up listening settings. So first, for output device, you're going to select the speaker or headset you want to use, and then you can set the voice chat volume. Make sure it's loud enough so you can hear people, and you can also turn up the SFX volume and tweak music volume during voice chat as well. After that, we're going to tweak the talking settings. So first, make sure the microphone is enabled, and then you're going to select the input device. Make sure it's the correct microphone that you're going to use. For me, it's going to be this one, and then you can select the voice chat mode. So voice activated, whenever you speak, it will activate the microphone. But what I recommend is to use push to talk. So whenever you want to talk, you can press a button. It'll be safer for you. Also, make sure to turn up the microphone volume so people can hear you. And for microphone sensitivity, you can set it as well. Alright, if you're using push to talk, you can set the keybind. You can set the keybind here. Just go to key bindings and then go to GTA Online and bind push to talk to any key you want.